Fritz, now I have a break, guys.
Did you say something about having someone repping for you? This is Natasha's question. So she's interested in your model for this, since she's had someone with amazing connections say they want to do this with her.
So as in repping, as in being the therapist, Natasha, or doing strategy calls?
No, actually finding clients for me.
So I used to get approached by a lot of social media companies, stuff like that, say, we'll get the clients for you and all that sort of stuff, but it never works because they don't know what they're talking about. I do. So it came to a point, I think it was about 2 years ago, I actually posted in the 100K group saying that we're hiring and we're going to hire some sales staff. But then I realized I'm going to now train the people. It's a lot of time. I don't have the patience. I'm probably not the best boss because I expect too much people. It's just how it is. And then I realized, hang on, I could do this myself by getting rid of strategy calls and taking that away from people, and actually worked really, really well. Okay. So getting you clients, always better to do it yourself. Always better. Here in Australia, we're having that. I don't know if you guys, my sister showed me the advert for it. The Australian version of Dragon's Den, that, you know, where the people come in and propose a business idea and someone says, I'll give you 10%. Has everyone seen that show before or heard of that? There's an Australian one. One of the guys on there, I won't say his name, has a social media marketing company. I went through them, cost me 35 grand, got me nothing. Now I see him on TV and think, you fucking asshole, but it is what it is. But that's my experience. Always better to do it for yourself because you know what you're talking about. It's like when people say, well, I paid my guru to be on their find a therapist list. That guru doesn't care whether you get clients or not, plus you're paying them. And all you're doing is getting chucked in a bowl with other therapists, and the clients are going to pick who they want. You do the marketing yourself, you run the business yourself, so you know how to control every element. Then later on, you can hire somebody and train them in those specifics. That's what I mean, Candace, about writing things down. To have a list to give them, this is what I need you to do each day. Right at the start, do it for yourself. That's where you'll learn the most. Does that make sense? Was that the question you had, Natasha? Did I answer that correctly?